planes have to be de-iced. It affects the flight controls, so they don't freeze up or have ice in the junctions of the wings. De-ice Type 1 is a glycol-based 50-50 mixed with water, and it's heated up to 180 degrees to remove contaminants and melt it away. Type 4 is anti-ice, and it is 100% concentrate glycol, and you spray it on the wing in a jelly substance to prevent buildup of contaminants, and the fluid absorbs all the moisture that lands on the wings. After it is finished spraying on the wings, you do a tactile inspection. The driver parks the truck and gets out and wipes his hand across the wing to make sure the surface is clean, and if not, you continue to spray until the job's done. Usually anywhere from 10 to 20 minutes, depending on what the pilots want. The pilots can request for just Type 1 wings and tail or full body, and sometimes they don't need Type 4 if there's no precipitation coming down. So it just depends on what the situation is and what the weather's like on how you spray.